Hello all, welcome once again to Learn News. This is the second tutorial of AWS where today we are going to do what? We are going to host a Spring Boot REST API application in one of our EC2 instance with the help of S3 file storage. S3 storage is basically a feature that is provided by Amazon for storing different types of data, and it's basically a storage unit. Let us quickly come on what we have done in our previous tutorial. We have hosted this application, this EC2 instance, and we have installed JRE in that. What we are going to do today is I have created a Spring Boot application, REST API application, where I have exposed one of the get endpoints, and I'm going to show one of the messages that is displayed by the application. It's a basic Spring Boot application. As you can see, when a user is basically hitting this particular URL with this particular endpoint, this message would be displayed. It's very simple one. And what I did as well, I have created the jar file, and I'm going to upload this jar file in one of the S3 in one of my S3 bucket. And from S3 bucket, what we are going to do is we're going to pull that in EC2 instance, and we are going to pull that application up and display it, and display whatever this being shown via our EC2 instance. Okay, EC2 instance is basically going to replace my desktop in terms of running the application. Hope that's clear. Well, quickly come to S3 instance. Let me go to AWS homepage, console management, and let's select an S3. As you can see here, already I have created one bucket. The creation step is pretty much simple. You have to create a bucket, and here I'm creating a bucket name as Learn News, and I'm not selecting anything, just keeping it as intact as it is. And block all public access, I am blocking it. Okay, and overall permission I will provide it later. Create bucket. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete one of the old buckets. Type the name. I'm going to delete the old bucket deleted. Now inside this bucket, let me open it, and inside this bucket I'm going to upload my jar file. And where is my jar file? It's pretty much handy in the target, you will be able to find it, and here just drag and drop it. Won't take much time, then you have to upload it. It will take a couple of seconds more. The speed is also decent, and inside this bucket you can store multiple type of data formats like images, jars, text files, anything you can. And by providing proper permission access to these buckets, you would be able to pull the data to your EC2 instance or Elastic Beanstalk or whatever computing devices that you are using. And one more second, it's 100% done. And you can see here, this is our jar file. Once you select this one, and you would be able to see the object URL. This is the object URL. Let's copy this URL. In the overview, we will be able to come here and copy this one. Just you do what? You will try to duplicate this one, but you will get a forbidden. Proper permission is by default not provided, so we have to provide permission to this jar file. Okay, so let me come here to the permission, and in the permission I have to select everyone, read object at least. So permission is provided. Now what I can do is I can rerun this one, and still some permission issue is there. Oh, even the access is denied. Okay, no worries. One of the snapshot jars I have actually accessed it. I've kept it over here, and what I can do is, in my previous hands-on, I was doing that one. Meanwhile, I can do what? Java minus jar Java minus jar with this one. Let's see what happens. Yes, our application is up and it's being hosted at port 61000. Let us go to the browser and select. First of all, you have to copy this DNS, this public DNS. I've copied it and have placed it over here, followed by 61000 and a slash. It will give a white level a page error. That means our application is up. Now let us give a hello. Tada! You can see the message being displayed over here, and the URL being accessed as this one. So in this way, you can easily do what from S3 instance. You can pull the application and pull the files, and you can make whatever you want to do. What I got cleared is with that in this S3 example, I couldn't pull this one. Is that during the creation itself, you have to access this one. There is one. Well, let's do one thing. Everyone, let me give permission to everything. Let's see if it works. Access is denied. Okay, so I think during the creation only there is one step where you have to select those permission access. Okay, so you have to uncheck that one where block public option will be there. You have to uncheck that one. In that way you would be able to pull in your whatever files that you are trying to access it from the S3 bucket. It's pretty simple. It's pretty much easier. You can Google, you can find it, and in this way we can conclude our this tutorial. Hope the tutorials are informative. Hope you're liking the news. Please subscribe to my channel. Hope you like it, and put lots of like to my videos for encouragement so that I can come up with much more interesting tutorials further. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.